A very good morning, all of you guys. Hope you all are doing good. So, today is a very hot and sunny day here in Abu Dhabi, and I am heading out. So, I have two important work today after I got my car back from the service station. First one is to change the oil and refuel the car, and the second one is to wash my car because it's too long that I've washed my car. So just before that I will show you all the changes that are made in the service station. So let's go. Alright guys, here is the car. I'll show you a proper detail in the front where everything is normal, like just like before. Yeah, it's very dirty because I haven't washed it and they also haven't washed it. So this is the front end of the car. They have completely changed the headlamps. You can see it. This one is the very new, and there are some tape marks also over here because I don't know, for some reason they put a tape on it and they told me not to remove it for more than 12 hours. So I removed it after 12 hours. On this side also they changed the headlamps. I don't know why they changed the headlamps on this side, because I think it got really inside. It got stuck inside. So they changed the headlamps over here. The bumper also they paint this fender. They paint the bumper over here, and they did not change the bumper, but they completely painted it. So there are no scratches on the bumpers anymore. It's really looking new. They also painted this side also. It's really looking new, and they have done a very good job. The complete front part is new now. So as you can see that the car is really dirty, and let's go to the washing center to wash it out. Alright, so let's go. Alright people, as you can see that I got my car back from the service station, and then the next thing, I directly came over to the petrol station, got my fuel refueled, and then here's my car. I'm getting an oil change. Once the oil has been changed, then we'll directly go towards the washing center, and then we'll see how they wash over here in Abu Dhabi. Alright, so guys, we have reached the washing center. This is the washing center that I wash every time my car. I hope it's empty. Yeah, it's empty. Let's just park the car over here. Right, we'll take all the belongings out because I have to wash this car thoroughly. cars are washed here in Musaffah. This is a complete bay in which the car can go up or down. They also wash it from down. They have pressurized washer system, and a man is manually washing every car. So for each car they have assigned one man. It's really cool, it's really awesome, and they really clean it very well. The one person will start washing my car in a bit. He is already setting up everything. First he will blow air inside the interior so that all the loose dust can be free. Then he will blow the dust in engine bay, and then he will blow some diesel in the engine bay to get rid of the rust. He is blowing up some air, pressurized air inside the interior. So now he is cleaning up the engine bay properly with water, and then he will blow the air to clean the water off, and then he'll put some diesel in it. He'll spray some diesel so that it gets rid of the rust. Now he is lifting the car up on the jack. He will clean it properly from below. They really clean it very well over here. It takes a little bit time. It's almost 45 minutes over here, and then it's really clean from outside and from the inside as well. So now we'll go inside the office and clear the bills. I think it's 30 dirham over here. They also give a card over here which says that if I wash for 4 times, then they are giving me 1 time free. The 5th one is free. So my 4th washing is finished now. For the next time I got a free one. As you can see that the car wash is exactly 40 dirhams over here. I did a full body wash with the interior, so that's why it's 40. If I do only the body wash from outside, then that is 25. So he's giving me bill right now. Thank you. Seems to be pretty clear over here now. Now he's getting the vacuum ready. We'll vacuum everything on the floor, small, minute dust and everything. Alright, so everything is done now. Now we'll just go, okay? Wow, everything looks really clean. He has cleaned each and everything with the soap. Each and every pockets. Everything is new now. See. Alright, so now I have some other work, some official work. So I'll just finish it up and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so guys, I'll end up this vlog and hopefully you like this vlog. Hopefully you got some details about the car wash in Abu Dhabi. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Thanks.